Hello friends, welcome with Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make kundru fry in a very different style. This is a very common dish in many tiffins, but this will be a very entirely different style. Yeah, everybody will like it. Normally when we hear kundru, many of them don't like it, but I am going to make in a very different style. For that we need is obviously kundru cut into very small pieces like round. I'll show you one more thing that you can cut the kundrus. You can cut the kundrus like this also. After cutting up and down, what you have to do is clean the knife, then see from the between you have to slit it. You can see, slit it, then again slit like this. In this style also you can make. These are known as long kundru fries. Generally people makes round, so I thought to make like that. I generally make like this. See, one kundru into 4 pieces. It's nice big kundrus you are getting in the market also now. You can see I've cut like this to just slit it from up and then horizontally and vertically. So you can see these, you can cut kundrus like this also, and you can cut kundrus like this also. Anyways, I'll show you how to make the kundru fry. So for that we need kundrus. I've taken almost 400 to 500 grams kundru. Then in this I've taken ginger garlic after being smashed, but don't take paste, it doesn't taste good. Then curry leaves, then 2 slit chilies, and then in this pepper, asafoetida powder, and salt as per taste. I've taken 2 teaspoons of pepper in this. And this is one more thing is that you can make it with very less spices. I have seen in my many tiffins that everybody bring very spicy kundrus with whole masala and oil. That makes it the kundru unhealthy. We have just used half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we will be using coconut oil. Coconut oil comes parachute or any other oil also you can use. That's also used for cooking purpose. You can, if you use refined oil, it's not tasty. I have taken a pan also, and let's then start the cooking. Now in this I'll put some oil, not too much, just this much, because oil, if you put too much, then it will fry the kundru. Almost 3 teaspoons of oil I put. Then to that, after heating of oil, we'll put the chili and the curry leaves and the ginger garlic. Now we'll put the ginger garlic and the curry leaves and the chili. As you can see, and you have to smash the ginger garlic. You don't have to put it like that only. See, that spluttering sound is coming. You have to give it a mix, because ginger garlic, I told in my previous recipes also that it sticks below. That should not, we should not allow that. You can see the fresh, you can see that fresh chili is put in the oil, gives a very good sound. Now you can hear the spluttering sound. After that we will add the kundru. You can see we have taken the kundru also. Now we'll mix it very nicely. You have to mix it, that all the oil should be there to make the kundru soft. Now in between we can make a space, and if you want, you can do this step. Put some oil, just a little, and put the mustard seeds if you want. After mustard seeds flutter, we will just give it again a shake. if you are making with masalas, you should try with the long these round kundrus. If you have to skip this masala, cut the kundrus which I showed, the slit ones. Then the process is you have to put the oil, then put the ginger, garlic and chili, then put that kundrus and cover it. And in that way also you get a very tasty kundru. But this is also the second method. This is the second method kundru with and one more thing, if you are after covering that, you can open it and put the ginger, means you can put the pepper and salt. But in the second method, we'll first put the spices. Just for the taste we are putting the spices, not any compulsion. If you are making the boiled one, you can skip the spices. Everybody please like the video if you like the recipes, and if you want to know about my new recipes, press the bell icon. It will notify you whenever my new recipes come. See, now it has mixed very nicely, you can see. Now we'll cover it and keep it to just to cook it nicely. We'll cover it for just 5 minutes, not more than that. And then in between you have to give it a mix. After 5 minutes you have to open the lid. So I'll be placing a lid. I have now placed the lid for 5 minutes, and don't put water at all. Then you will not get a very crispy kundrus. And this can be eaten with rice plus chapati. After 5 minutes you will see our kundru. After 5 minutes you can see our kundrus have turned light green and have took the masala. Now we'll put the spices. Now we'll put the black pepper and salt nicely. If you want to be very less spicy, then you can skip the spices and put only salt and black pepper. It is the first method, as I told you. You have to evenly distribute the pepper, or else some kundrus will be spicy and some kundrus will be very bland. If you cut circles, if you are cutting circle, then use the second method. If you are not, if you are using the splitting one, please use the first method. Because in the second method, masalas have to mix very nicely. So we need the kundrus. And one more thing I would like to suggest you, if you have a microwave, take this after cooking for 5 minutes. Take it in a microwave safe bowl. Keep it in that, and in microwave reheat for 6 minutes. That will make the kundrus more crispy. Or else if you don't have a microwave and wanted to make it in the gas only, then keep it mixing it and till it becomes soft. After it takes almost 6 to 7 minutes, but it sticks below. That's why I suggested that you can use a microwave, or else you can use it in gas, but you have to take care of it. This is a very good tiffin box veg sabji, which gives you combo with roti or rice. You can have with chapatis and rice. It is a very delicious dish. I've tried it twice, and that's why I thought to share with you. Please, if you like this recipe, please subscribe and share the video to make our video reach more greater heights. You can see our kundru is ready. It took almost 15 minutes us to prepare this. It's a very easy dish. You can have with anything. Thank you for watching. Cook with Appu will be sending you more videos. If you want to get the notification, please press the bell icon. And don't forget to like it and subscribe. Thank you. We will be sharing more videos next week.